Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus, and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should find and pick General Management and go to Reset. Now tap on the first icon, which is Reset Settings, and be aware that this operation cannot be undone, and any customization you've made to this phone, such as ringtone and do not disturb mode settings, will be discarded. If you still want to reset settings, click on Reset Settings, confirm it one more time, give your device a short while, it will restart the settings, and then you will have the default one. And that's it. You've just reset the settings, and now you can set up your device, all the settings from the beginning. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.